10 warthogs. Credits for the plane to him. He made it.
Get that. Alright, wait.
Bryce.
So what you gotta do, right?
Oh,
This is
no.
what you gotta do. Look, this is how you put the dynamite on without it blowing up. Turn it on, right? And then just slam it into a wall. Like this. So it don't go nowhere. And then stick it on underneath, and you're fine. And now, find a good place to sit. And I think I'm ready. Alright, bro.
Oh.
Careful, it will explode. Like if you turn it on. Alright, ready?
Oh, it does. Okay, you ready?
3, 2, 1, start the aerial battles.
3. Okay, we're starting. No! I'm out of ammo.
Did I hit you? Did I hit you?
No.
Alright, bro, now we just ram into each other for the fun of it.
No, I missed! I tried to drop a bomb on your plane.
No!
And I got so close to his thing.
Pull down, pull down, pull down! Up, 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 up! Turn, turn!
No, I was dropped fully.
Yeah, you're an I call you now. I can't, they can't, no one can hear you. Your boy.
No. I'm taking higher up on the skies. Oh, you're low. You're low down there. Se saliente.
Oh, alright, I'm ending it. I'm ending it. Before something bad happens. Alright, bro, that was pretty fun, though. You can't lie. Oh, your plane is going kaboom!
That's yours.
Oh, I already exploded my piece of dynamite. Oh, it is mine.
Yeah.
Alright, get your next weapon.
What next weapon?
Alright, can you give me one of your rocket launchers and 2 ammo?
One of the boom beers?
Yeah.
Boom beer.
Alright, I'm ready for my next aerial fight.
I gotta get my boom beers. I'm using the eggs today.
Make sure to